Have you ever wondered what makes the Ah64 Apache world's most advanced helicopter? Let me explain. The Ah64 Apache is the world's most advanced helicopter because of its unparalleled combination of power, precision, and survivability. With its twin turboshaft engines, the Apache can reach speeds of over 150 knots and climb at a rate of 2,000 feet per minute. Its advanced sensors and targeting systems allow it to detect and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy, day or night. And with its redundant systems and armor plating, the Apache can withstand even the most intense combat environments. Whether it's supporting ground troops or conducting precision strikes, the Apache is the ultimate powerful in modern warfare. This machine have countless successes, including recent Middle East ops, but also a rare failed mission in Afghanistan.